জনগোষ্ঠী গতি হিংসা জনজাতি মৰ্যাদা প্ৰদান কৰক কেন্দ্ৰীয় চৰকাৰ হুঁচিয়াৰ দিল্লী দিছপুৰ হুঁচিয়াৰ নো ST no rest we want ST we want ST no ST no rest no ST no rest ST our legal demand ST our legal demand fulfill our legal demand fulfill our legal demand we want ST we want ST no ST no rest no ST no rest
Today, 6 community of Assam, including Moran, Motok, Sutia, Tayahum, Kuch Rajbangshi and 3 tribes, with the 6 community of Assam demanding for ST status. This is our long-time demand. From 2002 onward, this 6 community is demanding for ST status. But this Assam government and Indian government, they don't want to fulfill our demand. So hereby we condemn BJP government that they are not trying to fulfill the demand, legal demand of the 6 community of Assam. They are keep this issue only as an election manifesto. From the 2002 onward, they include these issues in the election manifesto. But we see that all the parties, after getting their power, they don't try to fulfill these issues. In 2019 itself, this issue was coming up in the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. But after that, it's kept it quiet. In 2022, we are also protesting here in Jantar Mantar demanding this issue. But they are not fulfilling our demand. So that in the last election, in the 2024, they are getting that result. BJP is going down. They are getting less number of seats in Assam itself. In the northeast itself, they are getting less number of seats. So hereby we hereby want them, if before 2026 they are not giving ST status, the 6 community of Assam, they will fear again, they will face big challenge from the 6 community, and we teach them get good lessons in the election of 2026. So we hereby requesting Assam Chief Minister Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and Prime Minister of India Mr. Narendra Modi, they should take immediate actions for giving ST status to these 6 communities. You see that the BJP government, they try to integrating Kai in Assam. So this they try to give protection to the outsiders of Assam, but this indigenous community demanding the issues for so long time, but they are not giving any interest of these 6 communities demand. So we hereby demanding them to give ST status to these 6 communities, Moran, Motok, Sutia, Kuch Rajbangshi, Tayahum and the 3 tribe community immediately. That's all. अगर डिमांड अभी पूरा नहीं होगा, इससे भी जोरदार आंदोलन होगा, इससे भी जोरदार प्रोटेस्ट होगा, और if there is something happen, this responsible, this Indian and Assam government will be responsible for that. That's it.
No ST no rest, no rest, no rest, no ST no rest, no rest, no rest. ST our legal demand, ST our legal demand, no ST no rest, no rest, no rest. BJP go back, BJP go back, we want ST, we want ST, no ST no rest, no rest, no rest, no ST no rest, no rest, no rest, no ST no rest, no rest, no rest. ST our legal demand, ST our legal demand, ST our legal demand.
আমার দাবি আমার দাবি আমার দাবি we want ST we want ST